very last trip to with him because he's in the hospital now. Dementia and also Alzheimer and brain stroke. So it's really hard for my mom to look after. So it's like just the reason why I'm just going back to Japan as much as I can is to support my family. And so this is Osman Diane. So my dad never seemed like such a smile. He's always grumpy all the time. This is only one. I think it's like in the future or in the past. So I was so lucky to pay. This is all my grandma. Actually, last November she became a 96, so I could celebrate with her. And grandma and also my whole family. So this is that. Yeah, and my mom, Harumi. She's always, inspired. My cooking is coming from her. And also my brother. He looks like older than me, but he's 5 years younger. Maybe just here. And so two nephews, they are great playing baseball. So before my dad went to hospital, we could go and see that they're playing the baseball, which was really good. Also the sister in-law, Mika, is a great dancer. So and also my Australian family is so my son Diane. She actually I moved in and lived with Diane for 10 years and become a member of her family and her kids' family. So my Japanese family came to Australia and my Aussie family went to Japan. So it's like kind of exchange. Yeah. So they are like a brother from another So I'm also talking about my skills. So I'm an Aikido master, which is Japanese martial art. So this photo is in 2017. We did organize the JLP, which is Junior Leadership Program. So Aussie kids and Japanese kids practice, Aikido together. That was a great fun. It was hard work to organize. We were guardian and parents, and everybody's running around, and it was a great memory. And also my skills, photography and videography. So this is in Grasshouse Mountain. So that was just sunset time, and then did. And so that is, just the sunset time, and I just brought the crystal ball and look see that upside down. It's gorgeous. And then this is also, last time I visited Japan, I went to the Buddha statue, but this is almost sleeping, but this is actually Buddha is going to die. So that face is just a calm before to start. So that is indicating, and then also the in between heaven and this world. Then I just try to be. And also as you know, share me. So that was a tuna in Tsukiji fish market. It's 150 kilos of bluefin tuna. And my two friends, they are tuna master, and then oh Tomo, can you just help? And then just be and that knife is 1.2 meters now. So that is incredible. It's great memory. And also, I'm teaching some gyoza, some simple Japanese cooking at the moment, but I'm also the private chef I can do. Like, it's a fusion of Australian, Italian, and Japanese. So it's like kind of steak, tuna tataki, or grilled Spanish mackerel, crispy rice risotto, or just grounded tuna with a used pepper mayo, and some tempura crayfish, with wasabi mayo, and scallop carpaccio, or beef tataki with scallop sauce. It's like, and also my skill is also molecular nutrition. Last presentation I explained to you about the bone future dream is Taste of Japan. So Taste of Japan is basically I just bring Aussie to Japan and take around my local place or even like join the different type of cooking class in Japan. So it's a real authentic Japanese experience. And so the reason why because of my parents, my family situation to support it, and I love Australia and want to live here as much as possible, and I want to expand my cooking as my life work in two countries and become a real bridge between Australia and Japan. So 2 minutes more. So that's the current steps for my dream business Taste of Japan. So continuing cooking class in Australia and expanding the customer base. So this is like a vertical, and it's a beautiful venue. We are going to have a gyoza cooking class on Monday, and also eat like a school, and also some different religion. And even this is like a private cooking class at home, Asian higher venue. So I also think it's a good and also team building, corporate cooking class, Christmas event. So this is my dentist. Cooking class at the dentist. So they are good at slicing. So I am impressed. Local coffee companies as well. And this is step 2. So I just three trips since last October. So 5 cooking class, 7 cooking classes, and then 10 cooking classes last time. So I just visiting, travel to Japan everywhere, and just building a network. So this is, for example, collaborate with the sake, sommelier. So this is, and also the mindfulness eating coach for some local farmers. And also this is Amy and Yoko. Is it in the middle too? Ladies, beautiful ladies, and they are rice flour bread experts. So gluten free, but it tastes like a real bread. Really good. And also this is Yasuko, is a sound healing practitioner, and Takako is a saxophone performer, and she's a mentor as well. And so we combine, my cooking class as well as great enjoy. And so this is, we use fresh fish. So I went to the fish market and then used my suitcase and then bring it to the place. So it was a bit hard. So and then the current steps number 3 is in the future. So hosting Japanese people from Japan on the Sunday course for stays, offering gardens, including cooking class and sightseeing with local overseas. So if you could help me, it would be fantastic. And hope to succeed in expanding Taste of Japan in Japan for Australians. So thank you so much. And just as last, can I just say just one joke? Last time, remember this, the Aussie joke? That's where no the snakes are small. And then the second number is that's called the switches. And this time is I will try to say in Japanese. So the common, but it's the same sound. Common is supervisor. Okay? Common is passport. And so if you say common ga common de common osai, which means common also the meaning the school gate. So the supervisor is holding your household as a school gate. Just careful if you say
Great sense of humour, Tomo. Any questions for Tomo?
actually, I